How to be a healthy teenager. 1. Being physically healthy. Start eating healthier. Eating healthy is really important if you want to be a healthy teen. You don't need to go on a diet, just pay attention to what you're putting in your body. If you only ever eat sugary breakfast cereals and candy bars, you aren't going to be healthy. Depending on your body and what works best for you, you can eat 3 meals a day or 5 to 6 mini meals a day. Never skip meals. Try healthy alternatives. Instead of having a bowl of ice cream, opt for a frozen yogurt. Or try having apple slices instead of potato chips. Try to replace processed foods, especially those which contain added sodium and sugar, with whole natural foods like fruits and vegetables. Drink more water. This is basically the most important thing of all. If you drink more water, you will be much healthier. It flushes the toxins out of your body and gives your skin a healthy glow. It also keeps your skin hydrated and helps prevent spots. It also helps if you have acne. As a rule of thumb, try to drink a lot to the point where your urine is almost completely clear. As a rule of thumb, try drinking half of your body weight in water every day.
2. Start exercising more. Whether it's walking in the park, or doing a couple of crunches, do at least 30 minutes of physical activity several times a week. You should not exercise every day. When you work out, you break your muscles down. It's the rebuilding that makes them stronger. If you don't give them time to rebuild, you're going to seriously hurt yourself. Try working out for 6 days a week and give yourself 2 days to rest and recuperate. Exercise will make you stronger and tone your muscles. You can go to the gym and swim or run on the treadmill, buy a few workout DVDs, or just go for a jog around the block. Whatever it is, exercising will make you healthier and happier about your body. It also releases oxytocin, which helps reduces stress and calm the mind.
3. Catch up on your sleep. During puberty, you'll find you need more sleep than you did when you were younger. Sure, it's tempting to stay up late chatting with friends on the phone or computer, but the next morning you'll be miserable. You need to get a minimum of 8 hours of sleep every single night. To find out how many hours you personally should be sleeping, on a weekend, go to bed at the time you do on a school night and don't set your alarm. When you wake up, count how many hours you were asleep and get that many hours every night. It may be tough if you get back late and have to wake up early on a normal school day, but if you put the extra effort in of an early night, you will feel much more refreshed the next morning. This will aid your concentration and you will be in a much happier and friendly mood. Also, try to get the same amount of sleep every day so that your body is adjusted to it.